In order to correct postural dysfunction, we need to help improve the lower trapezius muscle strength to help support that shoulder blade down south a little bit more. If the upper trap is working too much, it's shifting that shoulder blade up, reducing the joint space available at the shoulder joint, shifting it up, making this exceptionally tight and leading to tension throughout the head and neck. So just by offsetting the pressure at the neck and the shoulder by activating your lower trapezius more and shifting it down, that's going to help out the most in regards to fixing your posture. In order to do so, what we're going to be doing is having Tyler shift to the edge of the table a little bit more. He wants his arm right off the edge so it's dangling. The first step is that we want this entire shoulder blade structure to shift down and back as that first initial motion. So you shift it down and back, create that tension right there. And then once that tension's created, the strong base has been created, then you're going to bring your arm straight back up. The foundation is still created as the arm lowers, and then he can relax. And that would be one. So he activates the lower trapezius, suck that shoulder blade down and back, then he lifts his arm up, holds, relaxes the arm, and then we'll relax the shoulder blade. You want to repeat that for about 10 to 20 reps. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a weight if you can handle it. Ultimately, you want as much strength or much weight as you can, but we're going to activate the lower trap, then bring the arm up, slowly lower, and then relax. And you want to repeat the 10 to 20 times with the weight that's most appropriate for you. That is called a I. Now we're going to be doing a T. Same rules apply. We're going to create the strong base. Now we're coming straight out to the side. Keeping the strong base, we're lowering the arm, and then we're going to relax. That's one. Let's activate lower trap, then lift on up, lower, and then relax. That's two. You to repeat that again 10 to 20 times. The prone I and T are about easy to medium level of difficulty. The Y is the hardest, and I recommend that we do not use the weight during this activity. The Y also involves activating the lower trap, creating a strong, stable base, but then now he's trying to lift up straight out in front of him with the field goal Y-shaped motion. Again, lower trap activates, the arm moves straight up into the Y pattern, it lowers back down, and then you come out of it. Most people, when they attempt to raise their arm straight up, their upper trap will automatically be activated and everything will shift up. You want to try your best to avoid any sort of upper trapezius muscle activation during the Y motion, because then you would be training an inappropriate motor pattern, and we want the specifics to be perfect. We want the foundation to be built first, with then motion to be added off of. So do the I's and then T's until you're doing it perfectly with pretty heavy weight, about 2 to 5 pounds. And then I would try and attempt the prone Y when you have better control with the shoulder blade.